Go for it. Eat it. Eat a Soviet grape. Oh my god. Oh, I had the same reaction at the same time. Be careful.
Here's the key.
Let's go. How did your first grape feel? What?
Just another.
It's a different taste. This place.
Hey, try.
It's actually quite nice. It's chewy.
Pure sugar.
You see, lavaz is
yeah.
wash, car wash, or clothes wash.
Arieli.
Arieli,
It's a, yeah.
like your dog.
Huh?
Like your dog.
No, like the detergent.
Look, this street is Tom Plezha. Plezha. Pleza.
Pleasure, I know.
Pleza.
And Alexander el Makedonski. Makedonski.
Makedonski, yeah.
Autoškola.
Hey, shoes. Careful. Dangerous Soviet tiles.
I'm Soviet.
Look, frontera on Albanian plates.
Where's the mark?
Yeah.
We need to.
That's the street you wanted to go down last night. That one there. Do you think that looks safe? No.
No. We need it.
Teddy's Grill.
Look, this woman. Sure.
She has the best view.
No flowers.